bro, nawala 16-15.
Real. Ano lang.
Oh my god, I'm super gay, guys.
Asa medyo nagkalisod ng kulowel. Ay, sige, lihok. Oh, 16-15. Lay gani every time mo leave ka sa game.
Oh my god.
It's like Wah! Gago!
Wala pa.
Wala pa! Gago pa gani, Mingo!
Ganun dara man, cute mo, stop.
Open na! Wait lang. Uy, ano din?
Ay, sarado mo
Shit.
Dinagay mo si Roto.
Wala, patay mo. Yaman ako.
Ganda.
No.
Russia?
This is
It's Cypher.
Puta, dito.
Oy, mga visual art, cipher na ha. Dila
Dili,
cipher.
cube na.
Cube na lang. Uy. Like mo hawak ka sa game is kanang naay like new. Oh my god, so dark. Oh my god. Yeah. You're so brave, ate.
Kanina,
Ah.
na. Oh, sakto rin.
Adlok yung
Uy, may gali, wala siya daro.
Doy.
yaw. Wala pa. Wala pa.
Excited ba kayo ga? Uy.
E?
Ay, yaw.
Uy, ay, pag ginanabaw, wala pa gan.
Ayaw pa.
Lo.
Kaya kato ko pag nabos inggit na.
Ano tayo?
Ay, balik.
Luto. Espasa, uy.
Diba nakastop man to, dun ka rin nag-pass.
Yeah, I hear someone crying.
You know you don't.
Is it a doll? Is it? What do you see? I see the fucking hallway, bitch. The fuck was you? Oh no, you need it. Uy, kitsa na, uy.
Wala, uy.
Ano rin?
Uy, ayaw.
Dino.
No, dungganin mo siya.
Uy, dungga ko ba?
Hindi kay iya hunting mo.
Wala ko madunggan to, asin.
Bungol ka.
Grabe.
Uy, mabilaw na yung ulo ko.
Gani. Gahilak siya.
Some of the drawings are A's. I think that's the map or something. Yeah. Ding dong! Ding dong! Ano man? Ano daw natin?
Where is it connected?
There.
Da.
I think it's a power outlet or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lock.
Motherfucker!
Lock.
Magkita, malugar tagki. Oh,
Ato.
ito ka mo, Jess?
Yeah.
Dito
Sirado ang kuan elevator. We need to kuan jud na.
Basta na siya sa...
May basin mo, free pa natin siya.
Dahil ba? Wala na ilang imong flash.
Igat.
You could have prevented a tragedy, but you were weak.
Ang doll! Oh my god! There's the doll! I noticed it now!
Just a sword made of cubes.
Sword?
Yeah, it's like Minecraft. Nothing interesting.
What about that little bitch crying at the corner of me room? Di ba na sa
Whoa, a ladder.
Di ba nasa people thing mo do sa obos like stairs? Wala kita giyawiran.
There's a number there.
1.
It's for something.
Two.
Or maybe it's a word.
I can't pass you. Sama na oy. Kapangit ba oy ghost oy. I can't do anything to it.
I can.
I think mo to ka sa the room nga to nagilaka.
Wait lang, na may ko ano ko. Kana murag ma-open na tong outlet.
Okay. Diyan sa mga boxes.
Ano? Huh? Ah, tara pa.
No. Kay kadili man ikaw kana man. Bida-bida. Oh my god. Where can I do anything in here?
Open na. Is that a key?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it is.
Where's the key?
Kana key. Kana.
Ano daw? Ano sa?
Kani. Oh, nasi kuan. Oh.
Wala pa.
Hindi, wala pa. Hold that up, our ground. Look.
Password. Drawing nga. Nasi.
Ah. Wala ka taas.
Na.
Ano, isa inani. Uy, gago to.
It's gone.
What gone? Oh no! Do not. Lahi! Oh my god.
Sige.
Kuya! Bakit ka sumusunod sa amin?
Wala mo tigibuhat. Why?
Oh my god, he's here.
Ano ba ito? Disturb
I
na to
think
siya.
he's been following us. If it is, oh my god.
What happened to the girl?
I think he got captured. She got captured. Is it a girl?
Yeah.
You don't know the code. There's a phone.
No, 16, 15? No.
You don't know.
Yun yung ma-type. She's not crying anymore.
I think she's been captured.
Patay na to siya ba?
Holy.
Shit.
Kuya, what you do to her?
Rape.
Kuya.
Oh my god, it's so dirty. Dirt? Oh, nasty bitch.
Kuha na po to.
Kabulo kayo na oy.
Yeah.
Katong mga dots, day. E.
Abugam na lang po.
E sulat daw, ikaduha na E. Duha ka E. Ana E. Oh. Tumarag ko ana siya. Something like, basta ginani ng mga dula, you can never know.
Whoa! Oh shit. Oh my god.
Dili ko.
Stuck in an elevator. You're stuck in an elevator. Oh, something might
Mas gayang oras.
wrong,
Shit.
bitch. Go wrong.
No.
Ambe! Nandili ko.
Where's the girl? We need a friend.
Uy! Oh, music! It's so different when you hear the music. Ah!
Iba lang.
O di ba kadong the music?
There's a freaking girl.
Natagyan ako kay Madlock ko.
May tao?
Ano sa likod? Yan o, isa raman
It's gonna peak.
Oh my god, where's the elevator? Oh my fucking god. Okay, get the fuck out of there, bitch. Get the fuck out of there. Whoa!
Please stop.
It's the doll! Uy, sige, sunod-sunod ang doll. Di, nakulig ito.
Buot.
Nakulig ito. Oh.
Hello, uy.
Mawaram na yung hallway. Oh my god, it's so scary.
Is that the elevator? That's the elevator.
Oh, fuck. No, it's so scary. No ka na, uy, ahak.
Then what do we do here? Oh,
Pero asa na, uy?
is that ice? It really looks like ice.
Sading. Oh my god, the freaking...
Tara, dingo. Where?
Oh my god, where? Morning, ma.